making some pasta, maybe like some alfredo pasta. Just make it a bit late. Really good. I'm gonna try to film as much as possible. Now I have nothing else to do with my life, I guess, and like people would ask me normally like why you post so much and stuff like that. Well, it's just due to me not doing anything else. So yeah, so I'm going to pull out some. Well, I already pulled it out. It's been sitting here, so I'm gonna make some chicken really quick. I have a pot right here, and so the pot's right here. I have the chicken. There you guys. The chicken is right here. I believe I should wash my hands first. Guys, this is overflowing. My sink is broken, you guys. The people have to come and fix it. And look, it's a wreck. Like, it's overflowing, and I don't know why it keeps doing that. So I have to bring someone over to get it fixed. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my hands really quickly. Wash my hands really quick. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe, like, comment. I'll be here a lot of the time. Let me clean this off really quick. Well, I feel like you guys are very blurry. Maybe it's because this thing's on here. Okay, there we go. I think I fixed it. It's because of the screen cover when I got my phone fixed. So I have the chicken right here. I'm going to put, my mom gave me some of the chicken, so I'm gonna put this chicken in this pot here and toss it in. So like, maybe like 4 pieces. 3 should be fine, yeah, maybe 3. I don't need all that chicken because it's just me and Angel, so 3 pieces of chicken right here. I'm going to put this on the stove, surely, and get started on cooking. Hopefully you guys don't fall back there against the wall because of how you guys are positioned. So I'm gonna have this kind of like, some people like don't wash their meat, and I'm like debating on like now washing it. Like, I know I'm always told to wash my meat, so I'm gonna go back and wash this real quick. I knew it. I knew you guys were gonna fall back. I knew it. Look at my lesson. Oh, I knew that would happen. Oh crap, and the oven is on. The stove is on. It is smoking. Okay. Not such a good idea. Okay, that's on. Where I put the chicken? Okay. I put the chicken on the counter, so, oh my. Guys, I had to pull the stove back so I could get you from behind the stove. You literally fell and That was not a good idea. I knew that was a bad decision. So I rinsed off 3 pieces. I think it's best to rinse it off in cold. That way it's not cooking in the water. Our chicken is cooking right now. Oh my goodness, it smells so good, you guys. Okay, guys, so I'm making chicken alfredo, I believe. So the chicken is cooking right now. Sometimes I have to pause the video so I don't reach a maximum of too much footage because I have to save it. So the chicken is cooking. I have the frozen chicken here, so I'm gonna put this on the side here in the side corner, and then I have the Alfredo sauce right here. Sorry about the freaking filled up sink. Like, the guy has to come and fix it. It's like overflowing with water and floating chicken fat. But this is also the chicken noodles as well, the spaghetti noodles I'm going to be using with the Alfredo sauce to cook my Alfredo. It's cooking really fast, but I usually cook my food and everything on high due to the fact that it makes everything cook a lot faster. Coming out pretty well. I think I should add a little bit of water, that way it's like not too dry, you know, so. Okay. Set you guys right here. There you go. That water. That chicken smells so good. You guys, it smells so good. You can do whatever you want to your own chicken, however you want to season it, do whatever you want. It's not taking too long for it to cook, so that's very, very good because it's only taking like 5 minutes for that to like actually cook and sizzle. So on here as well, on my channel, I feel like I should like experiment and stuff. So like check out what to do with this food, other recipes and stuff, you know, challenges, and yeah, I'm just gonna be vlogging a lot because it's just me, but it's normally been me by myself, and it's Angel as well. So my puppy, I'm gonna boil some noodles here. So this is old. This was originally for some sriracha honey noodles that I made previously, which weren't so bad either. So I'm gonna rinse this out, clean the pot out really quickly. That way I have a pot to use to cook my noodles. So yeah. Rinse this real quick. And I will get back to you guys afterwards, I believe, because I don't know if you guys want to sit here and watch me clean a pot out. So I have my pot here. I'm gonna set the eye here, I believe, because I don't know which one will go on high. I use this stove a lot, like a lot, you guys. So I have the pot there. I believe you add the noodles first. Oh my, guys, I'm dropping noodles. They just fell all over. Oh my goodness. A catastrophe. Look, noodles falling on the ground. And, okay. I'm gonna put these noodles inside. Okay, gonna grab a couple noodles as the chicken cooks. And you guys are blurry. Bad idea. We're making chicken alfredo. I had to get Angel out of the room because she was laying down. Angel! Welcome to the room. Where are you going? Going to the room. I'm going to the room. Don't come to the room. Don't come to the room. Only me. Only me. I love you. Guys, she follows me everywhere I go. Which I love. Chicken's cooking. Oh my, Angel, I think the chicken's burning. Or is that the pan? Oh my gosh, don't ever leave the kitchen. I had to add water. Okay. There we go. The pot was overheated, like very hot, so I had to add some water. Don't leave your pot without water. Chicken's cooking very fast. Have to season that really quickly. We tried to sit on the ground and put the noodles in. Angel, guys, I really believe she knows how to use the phone. Angel, you're in the way. Angel, this water's for the noodles. Ah, I burned myself. It's very hot. Are you curious? These are noodles. Noodles. I don't think we need a lot of noodles. Okay. I spilled some on the floor and you're stepping all over them. I wonder if do you guys like long noodles, short noodles? Like when you eat your pasta and your spaghetti and stuff, do you get short noodles, long noodles? Okay. I think that should cover it, but I love noodles, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. So, yeah. Got some noodles going. She's all up in the pot, you guys. Okay, ready to put these noodles on the stove? We're gonna put these noodles on the stove. Okay. So hard to film and cook, you guys. Very complicated. Wouldn't suggest it. Because like now I'm kind of like attempting to burn the chicken, but I have to also season it. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. I know, guys, I have dishes to do. Ooh, look at that steam, those juices, so good. Oh, it's time to rinse those juices off now. There we go, have some good chicken going on there. Almost burned my hand. Guys, I like to apply salt when I'm cooking my noodles, so. You want some chicken alfredo? Do you? I have to roll up my sleeves. I have to season the chicken. Okay, some of that to the chicken. That way, like, but I'm gonna turn the chicken a little bit. Have some salt, which is best to apply in your noodles. Not too much though. You just want the noodles to boil. And there's your chicken. Noodles, chicken. Put this in the cabinet. I also have lemon pepper, garlic. We'll apply some black pepper in the chicken to see how it goes. So There you go. That garlic smells really good. So I'm gonna try to manage to turn the chicken over. I might have to season it on both sides, so I might have to pull the sauce out. It's getting kind of smoky in here, you guys, because of the water. So this is cooking right now. I'll apply some more of this to the chicken so it has taste on both sides, which smells pretty good. I'm gonna get Angel's opinion. Angel, that smell good? Does it smell good? I think it smells pretty good. Put that back on the stove. I would apply some butter as well, but who knows? That's doing a little too much. I put the noodles back on the ground, so I'm going to put this back on the counter. The noodles are boiling, I can hear it. So yeah, everything's going pretty well, I believe. Let's see here. Noodles are boiling really fast, so it's coming out pretty good, like it's not bad. But they are bubbling, so here she goes. Angel! Hi there! Hi there, Angel! Hey! Look, she's on my leg. Like always. So, these noodles are boiling really fast. So, I am going to turn it down a little bit. Like on low, because like it is really cooking. But I'm gonna, it'll still stay hot because of the eye underneath. It's still hot and red, so. But even when I turn it down, it's still bubbling, so I'm going to put these in the cabinet really quickly. I had to move the oven, you guys, because you fell back. And the pot's gonna overflow with bubbles, so I'm gonna move this. And watch it go down. Watch, see, it went down, you guys. No problem. Okay, now the chicken is doing pretty well. Okay, there we go. I have a lot of cleaning to do, you guys. A lot of cleaning, but let's walk. Come on. Let's walk. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Let's walk. Come on. You got this. You got this. Oh, look how cute you are. You want to bite me? Okay. Not just yet. I cannot sit down yet. Have to watch this chicken and these noodles. I would have like some green oregano so it has that green color. I feel like oregano gives it color, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna apply some cayenne to my noodles. That way it has a little bit of color. Here we go. Let's see how this goes, this setup goes. Guys, I'm not so good at filming, but rolling up that. Applying, oh my goodness, that's a lot of cayenne, guys. I just opened the whole entire top to the cayenne, which is stupid. And look guys, I have a whole dump pile of cayenne in the noodles. They're gonna be very spicy, but I don't mind, I guess. So that's the noodles. This is gonna boil again. The chicken. What else? We'll add a little bit of black pepper to apply a little bit of color. I could barely see the black pepper, you guys, because of all the smoke and the fog. But I don't think the noodles need much more cooking, so I'm gonna turn the eye down or off, both eyes off. And see, it's going down. It shouldn't be red any longer. Well, eventually, but yeah. I'm gonna push this. Angel, I have to push this back. Okay. Okay, I have to push this back. Okay. Because it fell back. There we go. Oh, we got it. We got it, Angel. We got it down. Yes. Give me a high five. Okay, that works too. Oh, wait. I gotta show you. Look, the noodles. The chicken. There you go. So, here she comes. I have the alfredo right here. So, the noodles, you guys, came out pretty good. It's not bad at all. Finished quickly. Might apply a little bit of honey, who knows? And the chicken. The alfredo sauce now. I have to drain these noodles so the alfredo can be applied. You guys will see the results after I drain these noodles. Time to drain the noodles. It's time to drain the freaking noodles. So, yeah. I figured out a way for you guys to not fall on the freaking ground. Enjoy. I figured out a solution. Okay. So, let me get these noodles drained and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Time to drain these freaking noodles. Okay, so close this. Drain these noodles. These delicious noodles. Oh, spicy. Spicy. Okay. And they're drained now. So I use this to just tilt the pot and from the noodles to not rush out. Opening the alfredo sauce. Crap, there's no more juice, I gotta pour it out. Don't interfere with the taste. It's not so bad if a little bit of noodles fall out, but it's coming out really good, you guys. I hope you all had a good day, and Yeah, my glasses do not have lenses in them, so do not worry, they're not prescriptive. Yeah, if that's mainly some people's questions. So I'm gonna apply this Bertontali alfredo sauce in the delicious noodles. And I'll show you guys really quick. And these yummy noodles. Here you go, stirring this. Oh, look at that, you guys. So good. Looks so delicious. So yummy, you guys. Okay. Apply this. So good. I want to save some of this Alfredo sauce for later. So I'm going to put it here. Look at that. So good. So delicious. Do you want to taste, Angel? Do you want to taste? Okay, so I'm stirring it up right now. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna taste test it. I'm gonna taste test this, Angel. We're gonna see how my expertise are and how it tastes. Okay, we're gonna see how it tastes. We're gonna grab a little swirl of the noodle and very spicy, you guys. It's very spicy. Which isn't a bad spicy, it's just spicy. Very good though. So normally you want to cut up your chicken, but I'm just gonna break it in pieces and pop it in there. I'm gonna taste the chicken real quick. Not bad. Wanna try it, Angel? Wanna try the chicken? Guys, watch her face when I try to get rid of this chicken. Wanna try it, Angel? Want the chicken? So good. Oh, no more. Not yet, it's not done. Not bad. I'm gonna break this apart really quickly. Okay, so you guys, so my phone kind of died in the middle of the process of me talking, but I finished. I gotta turn off the light. Okay. Whoa, I turned off the light. I just finished the chicken Alfredo and Angel, my goodness, guys, okay, second, crap, let me get your dog food real quick, okay, I'll put that on the counter. Whoa, you drink all your water, you're eating your dog food. Okay, so We're gonna eat together. Wait. Angel, wait. Let me get you some water. Angel. Here you go. We're gonna eat together. No. No. Okay. Wanna try? Wanna try? Okay, we're gonna see. Okay. Do you like it? Do you like my alfredo? It's spicy. I don't know how she's able to take it in, you guys. It's really spicy. Whoa. You have a noodle on your back. I'm just checking to see if my phone doesn't like shut down. Is it good? Oh. She is loving it, you guys. She is eating the heck out of it. Thank you, puppy. Say thank you. That chicken, you guys, is so good. She has a noodle on her back. Should I leave it on there? I'll take it off. She has a noodle on there. It's nasty. We went to the park today, you guys. And it's dark outside, like going on like 10 o'clock, I think. I haven't checked the time. That's how spicy this is, you guys. And she's eating it like crazy. Look at her. No, it's gone. Oh, my nose is running, you guys. That's how much cayenne pepper I added accidentally, cause like I thought when I had opened the lid, I didn't untwist it. I thought when I was opening it, I opened it right way to where there's all those holes so I could dump a little bit, but I poured a lot in the noodles, and cheese ate all of her noodles. And I gave her like 2 of them, 2 scoops. I do want to get some more though. I'm gonna get some more noodles. And you stay there. Angel. Oh my goodness, here she comes, you guys. She wants more noodles. I'll just bring the whole pot, even though I know I'm not gonna eat the whole pot. Wait. Sit down. Okay, I'll give you more noodles. Here. Here. There she goes. Just scrambling away. Oh my goodness. A dog who is obsessed with chicken alfredo. Huh. So hot. Angel, stay. You have yours. This dog, she loves Doritos and chicken alfredo. What does she not dislike? She eats her dog food sometimes. Well, look at that pile over there, you guys. Look at that huge, gigantic pile that she made. Angel, you made. No, stay back. No. Eat yours. Eat yours, Angel. She knows. She should know. I have a huge mess to clean up over here. It's all. No, Angel. Eat your food. This is mine. She's so selfish. So cruel. Doesn't even care. Doesn't even want me to eat. Like, I have to eat too. No. It's mine. Nope. No, Angel. But guys, this didn't go too bad. It went pretty well. No, it's gone. Oh, my nose is running, you guys. That's how much cayenne pepper I added accidentally. Cause like I thought when I had opened the lid, I didn't untwist it. I thought when I was opening it, I opened it right way to where there's all those holes so I could dump a little bit, but I poured a lot in the noodles and cheese. Ate all of her noodles. And I gave her like 2 of them, 2 scoops. I do want to get some more though. I'm gonna get some more noodles. And you stay there. Angel. Oh my goodness, here she comes, you guys. She wants more noodles. I'll just bring the whole pot, even though I know I'm not gonna eat the whole pot. Wait, sit down. Okay, I'll give you more noodles. Here. There she goes. Just scrambling away. Oh my goodness. A dog who is obsessed with chicken alfredo. Huh. So hot. Angel, stay. You have yours. This dog, she loves Doritos and chicken alfredo. What does she not dislike? She eats her dog food sometimes. Well, look at that pile over there, you guys. Look at that huge, gigantic pile that she made. Angel, you made. No, stay back. No. Eat yours. Eat yours, Angel. She knows. She should know. I have a huge mess to clean up over here. It's all. No, Angel, eat your food. This is mine. She is so selfish. So cruel, doesn't even care, doesn't even want me to eat. Like, I have to eat too. No, it's mine. Nope, no, Angel. But guys, this didn't go too bad. It went pretty well. Yeah, now you don't want to drink your water. But anyways, I guess I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. I love you guys. This is Chris Perkins, or a day in the life of Chris Perkins, and I'll see you guys later. Love you guys. Bye. Oh gosh. Bye. Ow, Angel. That hurts. That hurt. What are you trying to do to me? What are you looking at? Oh my goodness. Bye.